Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about total YTD function. So how we are going to achieve total YTD, so we are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on what I'm talking on today's video. So I'm just covering all kind of examples with their function so that you'll get more understanding so in DAX. So now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the demo. So here if you look at here we have sales. So this is the matrix visual within this. So at a higher level we have year. When you drill down to further we have the month. So year and month wise, so we need to find the total YTD. So how we are calculating, we are going to say. So before getting to details, let me explain what are the tables we have imported in this Power BI desktop. Okay, so we have customer table, so geography, product, sales territory, as well as category table, subcategory, fact, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to look in what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. Now let's go to the model tab. So let me collapse here. So if you look at here, so we can see that so relationship between the dimension tables and fact table. So this is the fact table and all the remaining, these are all dimension tables. Okay, geography, sales territory, product. So we have established a relationship between dimension fact table, so one to many directions. So if we place the mouse over here, so we can see that some kind of highlighting. So that is the key between the that is the key established relationship between dimension and fact. Okay, so likewise I have established relationship. Now I'll try to go to the report tab. So I'm going to explain so what I have done here for calculating the total YTD. So total YTD means so year to date. Okay, total year to date, how to calculate we are going to see. So for that I have created a measures. So I'm going to explain measures. Total YTD, first one is total YTD 4, what it is. So here total YTD, so I'm just calculating the by using calSumX function. I'm just calculating the total YTD. So how it is working, we'll try to see. Excuse me. So this is the year level, so 2001, 2002, 3, 4. But when I drill down to further level, for example this is the month level, so how to calculate total YTD? For example, for July month 596, for August month, so for August month, so it's getting calculated 596 plus 703. For the September month 1704, so it's just a sum of July, August, September, October, November, December. So this is the combination of sum of July, August, September, October, November, December. So it's getting the summing up. Okay, so that is total YTD within this year in 2001. Okay, when it comes to 2002, we can see it's getting some for the first one is January, second is for January plus February, so like that it's getting a sum up. So and finally we are getting total 207294. Okay, for this area, so it's getting the YTD year to date. So year to date sales, likewise we can see the 2003 also as well as 2004 also. But in 2004 we have sales up to July only. We don't have sales August, September, October, November, December month. Further, what are the value we have for July month? Same value it's getting repeating. If you notice here 17, I'll try to take the snipping so that we can highlight something. So if you see here, see we have sales up to July only. We don't have sales for August, September, October, November month. So that is the reason. So what are the sales available up to July in 2004 year? it's getting repeating for September, October, November month, but we don't want like that. So we want to show up to here because we have sales up to July month only. So how to achieve this kind of thing, we are going to see the next measure. So for that I have created a separate measure. Okay, separate measure. So here I'm going to explain for 2005. So here, so I am checking if the sales are blank, so written the blank, otherwise written the sales. So after this expression, so whatever the expression I'm writing, I'm taking it to the variable, I'm checking if the sales are blank, so written the blank, otherwise written the year sales. And also for total YTD we can mention the year end date. So for example, sometimes we can financial calendar also available. So for that we need to specify the year end, March to March, like that. So if you want to calculate like that, we need to specify the year end date. For in this example I'm just specifying the March 31st is the year end date. So how to calculate in that case? Usually from January to December is like year to date. If you want to specify the explicitly for the year end, financial year end, like that, so we can specify here and we can do in 2001 for example. So if you notice clearly here, 596, it's getting summing up. So up to, I specified the year end date is March 31st, so it's getting summing up to here only. For the next year it is starting again from the April. Okay, 956, it's getting summing up. So like that in 2003 up to March again for the April. So I'll write your text snipping also. So here up to March it's getting year end date is up to March. From the April again it will start from beginning. So like that 485 again it's getting summing up for the next month 101892. So like that, so we can specify the year end also if you want, if you have some requirement like that. Okay, so in the next page I have created a separate measure. Sometimes even you can specify the filter condition also. For example, if you want to see the year to date only specific criteria, in this case for example I want to see the only high school year end date, so for each wire. So how to do that, how to specify the filter condition in this case? Okay, for that I have created a separate measure also. So in total YTD I have specified the some expression as well as one filter condition. This is the expression, this is the filter condition, and this is the year end date. Okay, this is the filter condition, this is the year end date, and also I'm just validating if the sales are blank, written the blank, otherwise written this variable value. Okay, even if you notice here 761.3, the values are not getting properly by looking like that, but whenever I select high school, so we'll see the same value, because this measure I have explicitly written a filter statement that just filter the English education is called high school, so only those values we can able to see here. But when I filter actual value, we can see the correct value. Okay, 179, 161, 30, it's getting summing up. But when you did not select anything, we'll see the different values. Okay, so there is a possibility that if you want to specify any filter criteria, filter condition within this measure, we can apply also. So I hope you like this video. If any questions or queries, please send me an email. So drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for other videos.